Hey, thanks for joining us for the snack episode in our 5 for 5 series. Quick update, got 3 pounds off this week. This 5 for 5 series has really done the trick and has helped me get back on track with my diet and weight loss. If you haven't seen any of the other episodes, check out the breakfast, lunch, or dinner episodes that we've done. Lower calorie foods, they've been great recipes, taste fantastic. And today we're doing a snack episode. And my wife and son will tell you I am definitely a snacker. Not so much the sweets, definitely reach for the salty and savory. And I found a snack that's going to keep me on track. This great recipe comes from the Simple Veganista. This is a roasted curry and sriracha chickpea. Simple to make. So all you need is a 15.5-ounce can of chickpeas. Now we rinsed and drained these and dried them off real good. And we're going to season these up with some sriracha, a little bit of curry, a pinch of garlic. We'll use a little bit of olive oil and just a little bit of salt, not too much. Okay, so we're going to get these chickpeas seasoned up. And the first thing we're going to do is add a teaspoon of curry powder. There we go. And a teaspoon of sriracha. Heaping teaspoon. And 1 to 2 teaspoons of olive oil. That's probably a teaspoon and a half. And it says to do a dash or 2 of garlic powder. So we'll sprinkle a little bit. That looks good. And we're going to get this mixed up. This makes such a beautiful color that I wanted you to see this. Okay, let's get our chickpeas into our mix here. We'll get these good and coated. The recipe calls for just a pinch of mineral salt. We've got this popcorn salt, so we can use, it's really, really fine, so we can use just a little bit, and it'll really get all over these. So we're getting these good and coated. And then we're gonna put these on a cookie sheet and bake these at 400 for 40 minutes. I've got the oven preheating. And we actually made a batch of these yesterday, and you do have to check them every 10 minutes because some of the smaller ones will cook faster, and you don't want half the batch to get all burned up on you. All right, these look great. Okay, let's get these onto our cookie sheet that's just got some parchment paper on it. I'm gonna get these spread out, nice even layer, and just a little sprinkle of that popcorn salt, not a lot. All right, these are gonna go in at 400 again for 40 minutes. But we're gonna check them every 10 minutes and turn them, make sure none of them are burning. All right, these are done. Those look great. They're still sizzling, nice and golden brown. All right, let's give these a try. Crunchy. Definitely getting some heat from that sriracha. These are great. I'm gonna be eating on these and watching the game and snacking. By the way, serving size, just 1/4 cup. Comes in at less than 2 grams of fat, 10.5 carbs, and almost 4 grams of protein. These are fantastic. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a blast making it. We'll see you next week for our dessert episode as we finish off our 5 for 5 series. Hope you'll try them, and we'll be doing a dessert next week, so we'll be looking for you then. Why did I just do that? Why do I point? What the hell am I pointing at? Hey, Luke. You want to taste this? These turned out great. Let's give them a try.
Oh, great. Try that again. Take two.
We're filming, so anytime today. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't seen any of the videos, check out.
I can have a little bit more.
Stick your tongue out.
Mm.
All right. We are shooting. I don't like any of that. Don't. Just no. Get the Capri Sun and get out of here.
Thank you.
How much battery do we have? Huh? In a minute.
This is delicious.
No, I'm trying to. We're rolling, Luke.
Turn it on 3, 2, 1, start. Start.
Go.
Hello, this is my cooking channel. This is my dad. He is my step prep man. He does everything. He cleans up.
What?
You're my step prep man. He makes food and it's really good. My name is Luke here, back from his channel EQOD News. And I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. We're back. Are we back?
We're back.
Okay. What are you doing with the camera? We'll see you next week for our dessert episode as we finish off our 5 for 5 series.